Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can earn money from Upwork on your smartphone. So first of all, you should open Play Store and download Upwork app. Here's the Upwork freelancer. So here are some pictures or screenshots. Just install. Now it's installing is in process. It's going to complete. After completing this app, you will open this and make an account. If you have an already account, you will log in. Otherwise, you can sign up for free. Now, I'm going to select my Google account. Like this one, I will select this one, and after that I will select my country. I'm from Pakistan. If you are from any other country, you can select this one, where from. Now, due to slow net, it's taking loading time. Now press on continue and start my profile. Now I have no LinkedIn account, so I will select category as designer, sales and marketing, and subcategory say any other you can select as you have experience or like your category of work. Here are some skills you can add the skills. As more skills, you will find more projects on Upwork. If you can search the skill, if here you cannot find it, share your experience level, then press on next and add your education here. Here you will select a university name, Regional University of Pakistan. Select your category, computer science, degree, BS, No, sorry. Select an other. B S. Now select date from 2016 to 2020. Description, you can write description about your degree if you have. If you want to write, you can put the description here, otherwise no need of this. Then if you have any other degree, you can also share, but if you have not want to add any other, you can skip this one here. Now we will add employment experience. If you want to add this one, you can add as your degree, otherwise no need of this. Now next, skip this one, skip this step, and next here you can type your English level fluent, and you can add any other language if you want to add, otherwise no need of this, not necessary. So next, here you will type the rate for your work, as your service is cheaper or no. You can select your rate, but the minimum rate should $5 per hour. So we will select $5, and next. So here you will type the title as social media marketing, social media marketing. You will write the name as your experience base. So I have skills, have 10 years of experience in social media marketing. And it's not a static. If you want to add, you can easily add here. And minimum so characters required. Adding just for you. So I have added more than 100 here. Profile picture, you will upload your profile picture. No, I will skip this step. I can add profile picture after my account creation, and your account is here. Be ready. Here you will give your address, your city, address, and next. Here you will put your phone number and get verification code to verify your profile, and your account will be ready. Thank you for watching.